What's going on, guys? F-Mac here. Okay, now in this video I really want you to pay attention, okay, because I'm going to share something with you that could potentially change your life and business, okay. Now it's how to get your team to duplicate. It's what 95% of people in this industry struggle with. Now you might struggle with it yourself, okay. It's not an easy thing to master, alright. Well, it is kind of, but you just need to know what to do. And unfortunately, not a lot of people actually teach duplication, okay, or they say they do, but they don't teach you what they do. Alright, so I'm going to share with you what I do that my team duplicates like there's no tomorrow. I've got a team of over 5,000 people. It must grow by about 100 members or maybe 50 members, or I don't know, whatever, a day. Alright, and my team's mainly been built from free Facebook marketing strategies. Alright, so I really put a lot of thought into this video, okay, because I wanted to give you as much value as possible so you can take what you're learning from me, go and apply it to your business and just crush it. Alright, so it's a 3-step process, okay. Number one, you need to have a high converting offer that gives value, and I'm talking real massive value that people are going to be like, whoa, like blown away by. Alright, number two, you need to have a simple step-by-step blueprint in place for your team to leverage. Alright, number three, you need to be building quality relationships. Right, so let's start with number one. You need something, let's say a high converting offer. You need something that gives value to the marketplace. Right, you need to have something that you actually feel comfortable and proud of selling. Right, if you look at your product now, if you don't absolutely love it, if you're not happy, if you're not proud, if you're not excited to put that out there to people, you're in the wrong business. Period. You will not duplicate if you do not love what you do. It will not happen. Alright, because I'm applying the same strategies that I used in my previous companies, exact same, right? And duplication in the other companies was terrible. The duplication in the company I'm in now is unbelievable because I absolutely love the company, I love the product, I love the value. It's the exact same strategies, right? So number one is to make sure you absolutely love the company or opportunity, whatever you're in. Make sure you love it, and I'm talking like heartfelt, boom, okay? Number two, you need to have a step-by-step process. Alright, the best way to do this is to have your own community of people. Okay, I mean, me personally, I've got my own team, the ASF Movement. We have our own private team training site where there is a step-by-step process on what they need to do to see results on Facebook. Right, it is so simple. I mean, I'm not being funny. A kid could, like a 2-year-old kid could actually follow the training videos. It is so simple. People can do it. There is no confusion. There is no like special skill sets you need to learn. They just follow the videos, they take action, and they see results. Because what I teach my team is just so ridiculously simple. There's no confusion behind it. There's no technical ability needed. Right, so you need to have a really simplified process in place. So basically, you start with one video and you walk people through what they need to do to see or to get sales. It needs to be that simple, and I'm talking about basically walking people through what you do to get sales. Alright, so it has to be ridiculous. I need to stress this enough that it has to be ridiculously simple, that no matter what the person's experience level is, they can come in and see results. Okay, because basically what happens is when these people see results, they plug their people into the exact same process. Right, this is why my team duplicates so well, because when my guys are getting sales, they bring them into the ASF Movement team site, they plug them into the ASF team site, right? And then they go through the training, they get results, they plug their guys into it, they go through the training, they plug their guys into it, they go through the training. It's simple, it is that easy, but it has to be step by step, right? Really step by step. Number three is build and solve relationships. Alright, now this is with leaders in the industry. The easiest way to get insane duplication in your team, in your organization, whatever it may be, right? The easiest way to do it is to attract leaders. Okay, I mean, one example, I brought in Ben Martin into my team, right? Very well respected marketer, very good at Facebook, okay? Now, he's came in, he's absolutely crushed it. I make about, I would say, between 7,000 and 8,000 off of Ben's team alone. Alright, I don't have to babysit this man. He joined me and he's done it. I hardly even talk to Ben. Like, not meaning to sound nasty, but if you attract leaders, people that know what they're doing, they're going to go out there and crush it. I mean, if your company has a good compensation plan, happy days, your income will go ridiculous. All right, I mean, the company I'm in has got an amazing compensation plan. That's why I'm making like 20 grand a month. All right, because the comp plan's good. But if you attract leaders, it's the easiest way to see duplication. It's a lot easier than training newbies up. Alright, you will see quicker success and quicker income and quicker life-changing results if you attract leaders. The best way to do that is to build relationships. And how do you do that? By giving value to the marketplace. So that's tying in back to number one. This is why you need to be in a value-based company, because you take what you learn from the company, you put it out there on Facebook, on YouTube, or whatever your marketing method is. But you put that value out there and you will attract leaders. That's the reason Ben joined me, because I was taking what I was learning from my value-based company, putting it out there onto Facebook. Ben loved what he saw. He wanted to come in just to get access to the training. But when Ben joined, he seen the value, right? And he knew he had to give this out to his people. You see where I'm going with this? You need to have a value-based company, period. And I'm talking, like I said before, real value. None of this hypey BS stuff. Actual real training that will help people see life-changing results. Okay, so that's a simple 3-step process that I've used. Okay, now maybe you're in your position now where you don't really have any of that, or maybe you've got a good value-based company, but maybe you don't have a community, maybe you don't have like a really good training structure in place for your team to use. Maybe you're just new to the industry yourself. The best way for you to see success now is to leverage what other people have in place. Alright, so my invitation to you right now is to get in with the ASF movement. Like say, I've got the fastest growing team in our company, which is extremely well value based. Alright, we focus on 3 strategies. Our duplication, our duplication process, results, whatever you want to call it, is nuts. I can almost guarantee, right, because the amount of people that get results from what I'm teaching is insane. Alright, I can almost guarantee that if you join right now, and you go through this simple step-by-step process that I have laid out inside this team site, you will see results. And all you do, right, is you leverage what I have in place. Alright, when you bring in your people, you plug them into the same team site, they go through the training, they get sales. They plug their guys into the team site, then they go through the training, they get sales, then they plug their guys into the training. It's a big self-fulfilling prophecy, you could say. Alright, and like you say, if you've got a good comp plan, your income goes nuts. I mean, I jumped from 10k to 20k a month in no time because the comp plan changed. Alright, and some other tips and tricks which you'll learn inside the team site when you decide to join by clicking the link below and taking action. And to make it even better and just adding the cherry on top, you can actually join for free and come and test out and see how amazing this process really is. Alright, all you do, you click the link below. You can either go to the capture page or you can go straight to the join page. But on the join page you'll see a promo box, right? All you do is in that box put in secret 7, capital S, hit apply, you get 7 days free. So you've got absolutely nothing to lose. You can come and leverage probably the best and most successful strategy on the internet right now to see amazing results. Right, and you can take what you learn from myself and apply it into your business. Alright? And then we teach people how to build communities and to really develop yourself as a leader, because that's what we focus on. It's really developing yourself, because there's leaders that make moves in this industry. Right? You don't want to be a follower your entire career. You don't want that, because you'll never really go on to see massive success. So if you want access to this amazingly awesome duplication strategy, click the link below. You can either opt in, or the link below that will go straight to the join page. Put in secret 7, capital S, join for free. Now, you've got nothing to lose. This could be the best decision you make for your internet network marketing career. Right, so I hope you got some value. Right, if you don't decide to join, happy days. Take what you've learned and apply it to your business. It's not difficult, it's a simple process. Alright, so just really think about what you could do, to help your team duplicate. Right, really think about what you could have laid out for them. Or if you want to see how it's done, just click the link below and get started with me and my ASF movement crew right now. Alright, so this is FMac. Hope you got some insane value. Let me know what you thought of the video below. Get started, and I will see you on the inside.